bring our family.
Uh-huh.
I want to get off so we can explore, but most important is I can say, damn.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is Saturday and AJ wanted to take a drive and we got in the car and we are driving and we made it to the Hoover Dam. We don't know if we can actually see it or what, but we just went through security and they let us pass, so I'm guessing we can go. So right now we're just making our way over there. AJ is forward facing now, so I think that's why he wanted to take a drive. And we are currently eating some pizza in the car that I just put in a Ziploc bag. So I think it's turning into a little adventure and I was like, oh my gosh, I have to document this. So Abel's right there, he's driving very concentrated on the road because it's pretty windy.
It's really nice here too.
It's really nice. Let me show you guys how it looks. So cool. I haven't been here forever. It looks so cool. I hope you guys can see it. Sorry about the dirty windows, but there it is.
Oh my god, think of all the cement they had to
think of all the work.
produce.
Oh my gosh. That looks amazing. You guys see that? Cars and tours. I didn't know that you could drive through.
Me neither.
That's awesome. Yeah, me too. That's pretty cool though. There it is. What do you think?
It's pretty cool.
Let's go on. AJ, what do you think? Are you having fun? And he has his pizza in his hand. There's the water. I'm taking a video. Yeah, amor? Yes. There it is. Okay, so what did you say about you wanted to bring your sisters or my sisters or our family?
I want to bring our family.
Uh-huh. I
want to get off so we can explore, but most important is I can say, damn.
You guys, crickets, 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 crickets.
No, I said damn.
You're so dumb. So we're gonna go check out Lake Mead. We'll see if we can find it. I feel like sometimes the things that we find are when we're not looking for them, huh?
Mm-hmm. Like this?
Like this, or where else did we go that we're like, oh wow, this is here. I don't know, but
somewhere
it's just
north.
Yeah, it's usually like that. Oh, let me show you guys. There's like a Hoover Dam Lodge. Let me see if I can show you. Okay, so that's the lodge. Can you guys see that? Hoover Dam Lodge.
Casino too.
Hoover Dam Casino. Well, Lake Mead is literally right there, no?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, but maybe we can go to like a little lookout point or something.
Yeah.
So this is the road to go to Lake Mead, which is, I think, the closest lake to where we live. Or like the closest lake in Vegas, no? Yeah. So we're gonna go check it out and see how it looks. So we didn't end up going to the lake because they charge, and obviously we're not like ready to go to a lake. We just wanted to see how it was, but it looks really pretty. I just don't know if we can swim in this particular lake, so we would have to do a little bit of research as to what we can and can't do. So we are at a park near our house. We've been to this park, but we usually go over there. And AJ already has his helmet, his knee pads, elbow pads, so he is ready to go down this little sidewalk. We're just gonna enjoy this beautiful Saturday afternoon. Are you tired, AJ? Oh, I'm tired. Are you tired? You're straight chilling. Look at that. Looks really nice. Then there's me. And AJ's gonna hop on his dad. Alright, take pictures. We're taking pictures. How do you make a chick? Camera's down. Monday. So it's the next day, and today is Sunday. Right now we decided to come explore in the car once again because AJ fell asleep. Ooh, that car is nice. It's, what is it?
A GTO.
Can you guys see it?
Oh shit, it's a Judge. Man,
Can you see
nice.
it? Oh yeah, they can. That was a nice car. So we decided to come explore a city nearby. It's called Summerlin. Abel had come here to pick up some shoes, ¿verdad? And right now AJ wanted to fall asleep, but he couldn't fall asleep at the house, so we decided to take a little drive. And it's really pretty.
Marina?
No, I think it's parking. Yeah. And it's really pretty out here. Today's Sunday, so there's like a ton of people just walking around. So I think we might come, you know, sometime soon just to walk around, check it out.
Cocina lounge.
Ooh, that's like our
cool.
type of place.
I like that.
It's called La Neta.
I love Clever.
Oh, it's
Shack.
Oh, it's plating soon. Oh, there's a Shake Shack. Okay, let me turn the camera around so I can show you guys how it looks. Oh, can you go through the cutesy part?
Yeah, look at West Elm.
West Elm. Okay, tomorrow. It's like an indoor / outdoor mall, huh?
Yeah, it's pretty
It's
cool.
like half indoor, half outdoor. As you guys can see right now, we're under something, I don't know what, but it's really big. It's pretty cool. They have a ton of stores. They have like big time stores like a Nordstrom Rack, a Dillard's, Crate and Barrel, and they also have like little shops like Lucky Brand. There was a Lululemon, you know, like all these little coffee shops, Build-A-Bear. So yeah, it looks pretty cute. So if we come sometime soon, I'll show you guys when we're like out. But right now, should we get Earl sandwiches?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I haven't tried Earl sandwiches, neither has Abel, and we want a little snack, how AJ says, huh? So I think we're gonna, well, I'm gonna get off because AJ's asleep and get a little sandwich and then just keep driving. So this is how it looks. because of the window, but it looks really, really nice. So we're still exploring. This weekend has been full of exploring. Look at that. Can you guys see that? It looks so awesome. And then I'll try to get a thing. Look. Red Rock Canyon. It's so cool. Right over there.
You like it,
We'll
AJ?
come. For sure.
We'll make our reservations to come on the
Yeah.
on a Friday.
Yeah.
Just come drive through.
It looks really, really nice.
You like it, AJ?
Hey guys, so it's much later. It is 8 p.m. already, and we are having dinner. Abel just made some meat. So this is our dinner. It's some steak tacos on lettuce, and I wanted to try it with you guys. Last time I talked to you guys, we had just eaten our own sandwiches. But see, we had a sandwich and now we're having it on lettuce, so let's try it. Mmm. That is really good. Thank you.
Welcome.
Hi. And there's AJ over there. He already ate, so right now he's just watching TV. But I wanted to get on here to end the video because then it's gonna get later and I know that I might forget. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you liked all of the exploring that we did this weekend. If you did like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.